Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Andreas Waatz, and in this video I'm gonna give you an intro on how you can make money online. So this is a playlist intro, so I'm gonna create more in depth how you can do this on each step that I'm gonna talk about in this video. Okay, so this is a request from one of my subscribers, Cool Motions. So he wanted to know how you can make money online with YouTube. So this is a video requested by this subscriber, Cool Motions. Okay, so one way that we can make money on YouTube is with YouTube ads. That means we have an account on AdSense and we connect this AdSense account with our YouTube channel, and that way YouTube will show ads before our video. And also, if you make a video longer than 10 minutes, you can add videos in the beginning, at the end, and in the middle of the video. So you can choose where you want to put the ads, okay? So that's a great way to make money on YouTube. To be able to do this, to activate your ads on YouTube, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers. And from today and 1 year back, you need to have at least 4,000 watch hours. Okay, so it takes some time before you are able to do this. But if you put up videos each day, maybe a video from 5 to 10 minutes, and try to rank the video, you will be able to reach 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, and that way you can start to make money with YouTube ads. Okay. Another way you can make money on YouTube is with affiliate marketing. That means, let's say I have read this book, Think and Grow Rich, and I want to make money on this book. So I sign up on Amazon's affiliate program. So what I do is I recommend this book after reading it, and I add a link in the description of my YouTube video with the link to Amazon, and when they click on the link and they buy within 24 hours, I will get a small commission. So I think they have up to 10% per sale. So we're gonna look more into that, how to do that in this playlist on other videos. Okay, so that's a great way to make some extra money. So you can do anything you can find on Amazon. So let's say you have something in the kitchen, you make a smoothie, you can promote that blender. So if you make the smoothie, you can say I made this smoothie with this blender. You can find it in the description below, click on the link, and this will take them to Amazon, and they can buy the product and you will get the commission. Okay, so the best way to make money on Amazon is to use products maybe $100 and up, otherwise you're not gonna make that much money. Okay, so with everything you need to be persistent to make money online. So maybe you do a video a day, or maybe 2 or 4 videos a week with a product. So you can start at your home, find products that you find on Amazon, make a review, or use it for something that solves a problem, and things like that. Okay, so we're gonna go more in depth with Amazon and other affiliate programs. And we also got sponsorships. So if you maybe run a fitness YouTube channel, you can contact stores or brands that sell fitness clothes and use them in your videos, and tell them that I use this fitness clothes from this brand or store, and maybe you can add a link in the description. Okay, so to find these deals, you can contact the store right away or the brand and present your YouTube channel, the analytics, and how many subscribers you have and things like that, and maybe discuss how much they're gonna pay you for that promotion. Okay, so that's one way. So you can find any company maybe on Google. Let's go and do a Google search and find brands and make a professional email and just email all the brands that you want to work with, and until you get one that want to work with you. Okay, so that's one way. And you can also do merchandise. So if you have 10,000 subscribers, you can sell merchandise under your video. You can sell prints on demand products. So let's say you make a t-shirt with a nice logo or a text, maybe a quote or something. All right. So for that you need to have at least 10,000 subscribers. If you have that, you can go to your YouTube Studio Beta, go to monetize, and there you will find how you can do merchandise. Okay. So right now I'm trying to create my own designs in this shop. You will see the products under my videos. Okay. And another way you can make money on YouTube is to create your own product. You can create a course. Let's say you create a course on how to edit your videos, how to do JavaScript. You can upload the course on Udemy, so you don't have to have your own platform. So just create a course, upload it on Udemy, and after that create a video, maybe a sample how-to tutorial on YouTube. And just say, if you want the full course, click on the link below and buy my Udemy course. Okay everyone, so this is some of the ways that you can make money on YouTube. I will create a playlist with all of the tips that I know of how to make money on YouTube. So please check that out. This is part number 1, and this is the request from my subscriber, Cool Motions. Okay, so I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.